You ready for your walk?
No.
Call me the crazy cat lady if you must, but I will risk looking crazy if it means making sure that my boys are going to be healthy. I guess it's practice for the real deal. I don't know when the hell that's going to be, so don't even ask. You okay? You like the scenery? He's like, no, I want to go back home and scream. Patty, can you explain what's going on? What are you doing?
Wait for it.
Get off my clothes, cat. I figured that I would want to go to like maybe Marshall's and get some things at the store, but I'm kind of recovering from a cold and I think I'm just going to get these groceries, skip Marshall's, and just maybe do that next weekend. But I just want to be in my house and just chill and relax for the rest of this very peaceful Sunday. So one thing that I've noticed, and I don't know if you guys are aware of it, sometimes they'll tell you things are out of stock when they legit are not. So I need to get some water. So I'm actually gonna go in stores, see if they have water, because they claim everything's out of stock. Let's see. Look at all this water. Look at all this water. Same thing with the mangoes. They said it was out of stock. What's that? What's that? Like, yo, when I tell y'all inflation is real, like so much stuff that I used to buy before, I'm just like, nah, put it back. Put it back. We gonna wait till it go on sale. But the good thing is that the first grocery run, I actually forgot that I needed olive oil, because I definitely need to start cooking more. I think tonight I'm gonna make my usual. It has like mushrooms, spinach. Oh yes, and it also has Parmigiano Reggiano. If I'm a cook, I'm gonna make something that's like comfort food, but not too bad. So let's go get this gas. I found it. Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. We're going to actually cook that meal that I was telling you guys about, and this is going to be my delicious creamy spinach and mushroom pasta recipe. It's honestly the perfect combination of flavors from shrimp to salmon, penne pasta, all smothered in creamy sauce, and that is made with my heavy whipping cream, so let's get into it. So first things first, I'm just preparing the protein, and I got my shrimp going as well as the salmon, and I also put my pasta on. You just need a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and that's literally it. Once our seafood friends are done, you're going to put them to the side, and now we're just going to continue cooking our mushroom, onions, and the garlic, and you want to cook it until it caramelizes. Now we're going to move on to the best part, and that is the creamy Alfredo sauce. I'm just going to add some heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to stir until it bubbles. I'm also going to grab my Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. I don't know why I said it like that. I like to actually shred mine from scratch, so you guys see that there. And of course, I also like to season my pasta, just a little bit of salt and pepper. At some point, I also added the spinach as well, and then I'm going to put in the Parmigiano cheese. If you want to make it a bit thicker, this is a little hack that I use. I just get some all-purpose flour, a little bit of water, stir it, and then all you have to do is just add a bit as you cook it. The level of thickness is honestly up to you, and if you do want to be a bit healthier, you can substitute that flour for arrowroot instead. Now once your sauce is finished, you just add your pasta, add the creamy sauce, shred your salmon, and then also put that shrimp in there. When I tell you this meal is my ultimate go-to, let's just say that if pasta could win a Grammy, I definitely have a few under my belt.